Angel Kim IC Sun. I am your news reporter forecast for today. Today, Saturday, April 30, 2024. Today's weather is at temperatures hot. It's 45 degrees Celsius today. It can cause heat stroke, high blood pressure. We should always drink water and wear thin clothes like bright colors. And when we go outside, use umbrella to protect from the sun. That is for weather reporter forecast for today. I am your weather reporter Angel Kim. Thank you and stay safe everyone.